You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, a fascinating word. And if you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, related vocabulary, and correct pronunciations in English, stay tuned. Tons for you coming up. Let's break it down. Detergent. Let's break it down. British English. D, a short E sound. Some may say D, which is also correct, but it's just really D. Ter, that's British English, or ter, American English. And then gent, yes, with a J sound, like a J. Detergent. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. I'm pretty sure you got it. Detergent. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.